I'm from Belgium, and I studied physics in Belgium, so dynamical system, complex systems, things like that. Now I'm doing my PhD in the UK, mainly in the UK, in Lancaster, at the Lancaster University, and I spent also 1 year in Italy, in Florence. So basically the main topic of my PhD is synchronization. So also in common language, synchronization is when if two people synchronize, let's say if they come at the same time, something happens at the same time. A bit more specifically for me, I'm looking at oscillations, so things that, for example, go back and forth, and when they talk to each other, when they interact, when they talk to each other, I want to know if they will basically go together or not, have the same rhythm in the end. So maybe one example is respiration could be an oscillation, because if you measure here, your respiration is gonna go up and down with a certain rhythm, and your cardiac rhythm, so the pump of your heart, is also another rhythm. So your heart pumps, and so it's another rhythm. And actually, I don't know if you know, but they interact, so they talk to each other. And somehow, so they adjust themselves, and they don't go exactly together, of course. But how they interact and how they go together depends on if you're young, if you're old, if you're ill. And so I'm doing more theory, but some people can also measure these, and then maybe try to find out just from these measurements how old you are, or if you're ill or something like that. First of all, I really liked it. This project is really a great one, and of course there are many advantages, because I had to live in two different countries that were not my country, my home country, so I learned the languages. I discovered England, I discovered Italy, the food is amazing there. um, Also, thanks to that, I was working with two different people that had two different expertises, and so I was learning a lot and meeting also. We're 15 PhD students here, and so met a lot of people from many different places that now also became friends. So that are all the advantages. Of course, sometimes it's not easy when you have to move so often and go into a different country, make new friends, adjust to the new country. And career-wise, I think it's probably great, because also we had many opportunities to go to conferences. We know many good professors, and having a network like this is just great also for the future.